Today in this video we will learn about how to use WordPress to open external links in a new tab or in a new window. If you want to use your WordPress to open external links in a new tab or new window only, then in that case log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New under Post section. Now here enter your post content and just link a testing URL. For that, click over that hyperlink icon. Now enter the URL and switch on Open in a new tab. Finally, click over Submit icon. In this way, this post will be saved successfully. Now, click over Publish button to publish this page. Now, from your website's front end, if you view this post, click over that link. This link will automatically redirect you to the destination page in a new tab or in a new window.